Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Tatia and hope you are following all the projects which I have made for you and in my channel. So hope you are find it interesting and you are enjoying that all the videos I am putting it for you. Okay, so now today we are not doing any project right now. We will do and we will learn some new techniques in the Power BI and we will see that how to bring this slicer pen using the button and the bookmarks. Okay, so now you can see that if I press the close button, this slicer pen will go, and if I put this filter button, it will come back. Okay, and here are the slicers which we can use. Okay, so now we will learn that how can we use this and how can we make this happen. Okay, so what we will do, we will make a new Power BI this new Power BI file, and what we will do, we will use this shape. Okay, so what we will do, we will do first of all we will make this we will insert some shape. Okay, so let me bring it some shape here. Okay, so we will put some shape. Okay, here we will add some image. Which image? That is for filter image. Okay, which I have OBI, and here it is. Okay, so I will put that image this image I have downloaded from the internet. You can find out from the net using filter icon. Okay, just use filter icon, you will get this image. Okay, so now here is my image. Okay, now one thing is ready. Now make a one more shape. Okay, let's make some rectangular shape. Okay, and I will make this rectangular shape like this. Okay, so this is my second shape, and I will do some changes here. In the rounded corner, if I will do in the shape, if I will go to the shape, in the shape the rounded corner is this 25, I will convert it to the 10. Okay, now so my two shapes are ready. Okay, I will click it again, and now I will bring some filter slicer. Okay, now I will bring some slicer, and I will open my dataset on the basis of suppose I will bring it on the basis of region. Okay, on the basis of region I will put some slicer, and here the slicer setting, it will go from the vertical list to the I need in the drop down, which I like the most. Okay, so here is my drop down. Okay, on the basis of region I will make some more slicer for looking more practical. Okay, so I am making 4 slicers. Okay, 4 different slicers. This is for region. Let me bring it for instead of region I will bring it for state. Okay, and here instead of region I will bring it on the basis of the city, and here in the basis of region again I will take the slicer of product. Okay, so here are my 4 slicers. What I will do, I will change the background. Let me change the background. I should have there only, but no issue. Bring the transparency of this much. I will what I will do, I will use the format printer. In the format printer, okay, now what happened here? Okay, using this one, you can see that if I click on the outside of this shape, I can see the slicer, but if I click on the image, the slicer is gone, and if I click on the product, then it is there. Okay, so it is there. So why it is happening, that also we will see soon. Okay, so now I will put it here, and this also here, using the format. Okay, using the format painter. Okay, and same here, use the format painter, and here. Okay, now you can see the 4 slicers. Okay, now I will use one more button. I will insert one more button. That button is shape node. I will use this button, and I will use this blank button. Okay, now why I am using this blank button? I am using this blank button because that X shape which I required, this cross, it is not present in this button, the given button. So I have to make this customize. I have to make the custom button, customized button. So what I will do, I will make this blank button shape, and then I will go to the style. In style I have text. Okay, don't go to the general and go to the title, it will not help. Go to the text, and in the text put capital X. Okay, increase the size to 20. Okay, and make it bold. Okay, now put it here. Okay, so now what we will do, you will see there is an X. Okay, now remove the border. I have to remove the border in the style. Can I remove the border from the style? Okay, yeah, perfect. I can remove the border also. See, okay, so here is my here is my close button also, you can see, and here is my, so everything comes up here. Okay, let me bring this shape also. I will generate some shape in the effect. I will go to the background of background on, in the on background, can I transparency? Okay, so let me in the off only. Okay, let it be. Okay, so now what I will do, so I have to make it happen that there is a cross, and this filter, whenever I feel I will click on this cross, it will goes it will hide the filter the filter section will get hide, and when I click this filter, the filter this slicer section will come up. Okay, so for that, what you need to go, you need to go to the view and select this bookmark and selections. These two are the most important thing. Okay, the most important thing whenever you will do some customize, means you have to customize the visualization, means you have to bring one visualization above another visualization, or you have to just show or hide the visualization. Then this selection and filter is selection and bookmark is one of the most important things. Okay, now you can see there is button, slicer, shape, image, shape. Okay, so it will give us some confusion. So what we will do, we will give some name. Okay, so this button is for X. What X will do, it will close the slicer. So name close slicer. This first slicer, this slicer is for product, so give the name product slicer. And this slicer, this is for city, give it city slicer. And this slicer is for state, give it for state slicer. Give it the name as per your convenience, but remember what you are giving, because otherwise it will create a lot of confusion, and your whole effort will gone. This shape is for slicer, so I will give slicer pane. And this image I will give show slicer. Okay, and this shape I will remain I will put this shape as it is. Now you can see this close slicer is at the top. Okay, so you can see it. Suppose I will put this close slicer at the bottom. You can see this you cannot see this close slicer. Earlier it was visible, but now it is not. Why? Because this close slicer is now behind this image, this shape slicer pane. Okay, so this selection is not for only selecting the visualization, it is for placing the visualization at proper order. So I have put this close slicer at the end, at the last. So this close slicer is at the background, at the back of every slicer, every visualization. When it is back, it is the first image of closing slicer, then after that this slicer pane and the region and everything will come. So again I will put this slicer, close slicer at the top. Now you can see it is come back. It's come back. Okay, it is here. So like that, this is the importance of selection and the position of selection. Okay, so whenever you need something to put in the back side of certain specific visualization, so you can use this selection. Suppose you have written something in the text box, okay, and you have to show it at the background, at the back side of visualization by giving the transparency. So you can use the visualization. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add the bookmarks. Okay, now first bookmark is what? First bookmark will, what bookmark will give? It will the first bookmark will be show slicer. Okay, slow slicer means this whole slicer is visible, and second thing is hide slicer. Okay, now I have made the two bookmarks, so show slicer and hide slicer. Okay, now when this slicer should be shown. Okay, so when all this slicer and every pen is visible, so I can say I have show slicer. Okay, so if everything is visible, then it is show slicer. So select everything, select all. Okay, except this shape because of new use. Click the right button, do the update. Means you are updating this bookmarks. Means you know the bookmark that whenever in the Google Chrome also there is a star shape. We just click the bookmark and it will save everything, every tab which is there. Okay, or specific that tab also which we are doing the bookmark. So this show slicer bookmark save everything. Means in what condition we are saving this, we are saving the condition, okay, in the bookmark, that whenever there is a show slicer, all this condition will meet automatically. Okay, this is the we can say that this condition we have saved in this bookmark, show slicer. Now in hide slicer, what is there in the hide slicer? In the hide slicer, there should not be this product slicer, close slicer, city, region. Okay, so this is the condition of hide slicer. When I need the hide slicer, this is the condition. Everything, this whole portion should not be visible is my hide slicer. So this is my condition. Okay, now select all. Do the right click and update it. Okay, so this condition has been met. Okay, now do one more thing. Whenever you do the right click, okay, in the right click, unselect this data. Okay, unselect this data. I will tell you the reason why in the later video, but do this. Okay, now you can see that whenever I click the show slicer, everything is back, and hide slicer, it will gone. Okay, so now hope our condition is met. Now what we will do? Now what we need? We need this button should work. That whenever I click on the cross, this hide slicer will activate. This bookmark hide slicer will activate, and whenever I click this filter, this show slicer should activate. Okay, now so how it will happen? So I will put this X. Okay, I will select this X. Now there is, whenever I select this X button, there is an action. Okay, this action is there. On the action, select this action and go to the type. Which type of action you required? I required bookmark action. Which bookmark action? I required that whenever I click the X, this slicer will get hide. Okay, this hide slicer activate. Now I click control select, control click. Now my hide slicer activate and it hide. Now how it will bring back? How I will bring back this slicer? I will bring back this slicer when I will click this filter button. But I have not activated this filter button. So what I will do? I will select this filter button. Go to the action. Okay. In the action, the same thing. Which type? Bookmark. In bookmark, what it will be? Show slicer. Okay. Now it is done. Click control click show slicer and it is back. Okay. Just control click on this X. Okay, close button, it will hide, and control click on filter button, it will come back. On the slicer button, in the slicer button, it will come back. Okay, so this is the use of selection and bookmarks for hiding and showing these slicer pane. Okay, this is a very useful topic, and this is a very useful way and very dynamic way to make a report. Okay, so whenever you do or try some big data or the more visualization is there, use this technique so that you can accommodate maximum things in your report, in your analysis. Okay, so hope this is fun and hope you like the video and hope you have learned something about the Power BI. Do enjoy this working and try different tactics and use different methods and use this technique in the different data set, so you can understand the maximum from this. Okay, so bye, take care and enjoy this Power BI. Okay, the more you enjoy, the more Power BI will give you back. Okay, thank you guys. So please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so whenever I will post the video, you will get the notification and you will enjoy the video the first. Okay, bye guys, thank you.